It's day 2 of the trial for the man accused of watching porn while driving a semi, then hitting and killing an LMPD officer. As WDRB's Gilbert Corsi shows us, things got emotional in the courtroom today.
Roger Burdette on trial for murder for the death of Detective Deidre Mengedoht. Wednesday morning, we hear from the driver that Mengedoht had pulled over before her car was hit by an 18-wheeler.
I heard an explosion once. Her car was struck.
That was Quentin Brady, the driver of the pickup truck Mengedoht stopped in front of the Belvedere on I-64 downtown on Christmas Eve 2018. He says he'd been pulled over for about 5 minutes before the wreck, and Mengedoht was in an unmarked car.
And we tried to go to the cop car, and the flames were up to the door handle, so we couldn't really get to it.
Prosecutors say Burdette was impaired on drugs he didn't have prescriptions for and opened a pornographic video on his cell phone minutes before he slammed his 18-wheeler into the officer's car.
I had reason to believe that he had taken some sort of a narcotic analgesic based on the constriction of the pupils and his demeanor at the scene of being extremely nonchalant and relaxed. I saw no emotion from him the entire time.
Burdette's defense attorney pointing out that he had surgeries on his knees, which could contribute to his balance.
Fast, get up, go!
This video also coming to light in court, captured right after the wreck, even before emergency crews arrived. It's UPS pilot Jeff Scott and his wife.
The car was on fire. There was smoke, flames.
Right.
And then the guns started going off the car.
What do you mean?
The guns, our ammunition.
What did you hear?
Pop, pop, pop. Like that. So, I know this sounds hero-ish.
Sure.
No, but I really wanted to try to say,
Jeff, get out of there!
And then Jeff looks at me and he said, I tried. And I said, I know you did. And I said, is there anything we can do? He said, no, we can't do anything. And we got into the car and we left.
Burdette was driving a tanker truck for the Metropolitan Sewer District at the time and fired after this crash. MSD later settled with Mengedoht's family for $10 million. This is the state side of the case. The defense will follow. The trial is expected to last into next week. Gilbert Corsi, WDRB News.
Tomorrow, prosecutors plan to bring over the MSD truck and the charred remains of Mengedoht's car for the jury to see for itself.